What's up, guys? We are in the Blue Beach Shack, aka Island Whip. Now, you watched our video from the beginning. Let me take my glasses off because the light's glaring. You watched us build this thing from the ground up. Lots of comments, lots of likes. We had over almost 3,000 views on that first video, and it's amazing. So I want to show you where we are. We're doing a little soft run today. So I'm going to kind of show you how we have things set up. It's not perfect. It's not where it's going to be. But I still want to show you guys what we're working with. So let me turn the camera around and let's get to it. Alright guys, there's my window that we installed. There's our little chalkboard sign, our cash box. Over here is a 6 foot tall light up welcome sign flamingo. These are our sinks. Back there is our hand washing sink, which we have stuff strewn around because we're trying to get organized here. We got cups, mix, jugs of water for the machine. Here's our freezer, and we have it made with some lemon, Dole soft serve, Go Whip, whatever you want to call it. Gloves, spoons. We got some mix up there. Here's the piece of resistance. The ice cream machine, it's running right now, getting ready. And a lot of you had questions about plumbing. So here we go. Fuse box. This is clean water, okay? Up here is my sump pump, all right? If you go around, there's my tankless hot water heater. And right here with these hoses, this is my wastewater coming out of those sinks, going down in here. All I have to do is pop that top, pull this bucket out, and we can dispose of that water that we clean the machine and everything with in the evenings, guys. Okay, that's our setup. That's it, simple. We have a plug in there and a plug in there. We have a little fan right here. And it's raining outside, it's nasty, but we gotta make some pre-frozen containers for this coming weekend. Future me here, I got good lighting here in the bathroom, so I thought I'd put this little snippet in there. Our water system did not work. They wanted gray water to be 15% bigger than fresh as far as the tank size. And instead of food grade buckets, they wanted SLP or SLF plastic square tanks. So they sell those at Walmart, and I had one that came with the camper. So we're gonna just swap those out. Instead of the buckets, we're just gonna have the square water tanks, and we're gonna keep the same system. He did want the other faucet to work, so I put a little 1/2-inch nipple on the bottom of the cold water side, so the water would just run right through it. So we have cold water on one side, and the other side, when you turn the heater on, you have hot water. So that's our system, guys. The only other thing we had to do was put a piece of acrylic in between the sinks, from the hand washing sink to the 3 sinks, because they wanted a splash guard there so that you couldn't splash water in between the sinks, which is kind of weird, but yeah, we did that. So now we're all good. Back to the video. That, guys, is our simple setup. I'm sitting on a cooler that we have some Sprite and stuff in for floats. And then my wife is over here chilling. And that's our sitting space. So that's it, guys. We are running the machine right now. We're making some product. I'll post some pictures after this video of what our product looks like. And then in the next video, we're going to talk about profit, food cost, food waste, and total expenses to run this kind of setup. And we'll talk about everything that went into making this food trailer, total cost, and then we're going to look at how much money that we can make on doing this product. So stay with us for that next video. I'm getting everything together, all the receipts and all the little things that we bought. Stay with us, like and share. Thanks for following us on this journey. And if you're in the area, come see. Here we go, guys. Our Island Whip floats that we made for our test run with Sprite. They look fantastic. And now we also have our serving of Pineapple Island Whip. And guys, we have that for $4 for the the ice cream, and then $6 for the float. Let me know what you think in the comments. Next video coming soon.